vlog and happy March 1st. I'm really excited that we are in a new month, and it's also, technically it's still winter, but springtime is my favorite time of year. I just have the best time in life during spring. I feel the weather's perfect, there's lots of fun things to do, it's not too hot, and I just feel, you know, the energy behind springtime and things like that is just really inspiring and refreshing. I'm just putting a little bit of my camo CC cream, light 210 neutral. I'm also using the Huda Beauty Fox Filter concealer just under my under eyes. But anyways, like I was saying, I did my morning routine and I set my intentions for the month and just pretty much giving gratitude for where I am in my journey and in life and all of the things that are happening. Gratitude is so important, because without it, it's so easy to lose sight of our blessings, lose sight of what's important, forget, you know, what we have in life, who we have. Also, don't mind the coffee stains on my pajamas. I spilled coffee on myself this morning, but it's all right. Just looking forward to this month. I have a lot of exciting things happening this month as well, aside from it being my favorite time of the year. I am going back to California later this month just for a day. I'm going to be visiting my family in Southern California, which from where I live, they're like 4 hours away from me, so they're very close. When I come back home, I will be bringing my sisters with me. For those of you who don't know, I have 2 younger sisters. They are 16 and 17 years younger than I am, and I also have a brother. He's 4 years younger than I am, but they will be visiting me for a week, and they've been wanting to visit me since I moved and finally be able to stay with me for a week, which I'm really excited for. In terms of this vlog, we are focusing on shifting away from the need to be productive. Also, it's 11/11 and it's March 1st. As I was saying, I was just listening to a podcast while I was getting ready, which is one of my wellness practices that I love to do. My go-to podcast is definitely the Life with Mariana podcast, the Kimberly Wenya podcast. But anyways, guys, I am gonna finish getting ready and I will chat with you a little bit later. Guys, happy Saturday. I can't even remember the last time I picked up my camera to vlog. This week has been another week that has felt all over the place. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this vlog, my intentions for this week were to prioritize slowing down, wellness rituals, self-care, and things like that. So I've been doing a lot of journaling and implementing a lot of my feel-good habits that I love to do whenever I need to prioritize my mental health or self-care, and that's kind of what I've been doing. Not that my mental health has been bad this week, because it really hasn't. I just have noticed that during my luteal phase, the week before my period or so, this is where, if I'm not careful, my negative thoughts and my limiting beliefs can get the best of me, and I was kind of already feeling that way at the beginning of this week. So I did my best to prioritize more mental wellness, emotional wellness practices into my week this week and less productivity, and that's really all I've been doing this week. Lots of journaling, listening to podcasts, and my feel-good habits. Like I mentioned, I haven't vlogged much this week. I just finished getting ready. I'll show you my outfit in a bit, but we are headed out to spend the day outside. It's going to be such a nice day. We are going to grab some coffee and then head over to, it's a farmer's market slash street fair kind of situation. But anyways, this is my outfit of the day. Also, my cat scratched me this morning, so we love that. But this is probably one of my favorite tops. It's from Zara. It's sort of like a linen-like material. It has these sleeves that I kind of just rolled up a bit, but they are long sleeve. It's such a pretty spring slash summer top. And then my pants are from H&M. They're just these straight leg slash wide leg. They're not super wide leg, but they're also not as slim as some straight leg jeans are, but I got them, I want to say like 2 years ago. And then my bag, of course, I have to take my take care bag to fit the theme of this week and this video and the vibe that we are on this week. Plus, I think it's a cute little farmer's market bag. Just got back from being out and about. I ended up getting this. But yeah, we're having a really good Saturday, and I think tomorrow I'm going to do like my Sunday reset routine. Thankfully, we already deep cleaned the apartment. Yesterday, I'm trying this new thing where I deep clean and reset my space on Fridays so that I can really enjoy my weekends and rest and relax and do whatever I want to do, so I don't have to worry about that. Maybe just picking things up. I definitely want to do like a Sunday reset routine tomorrow, so I'll probably bring you along with me as I do that. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I just did my morning routine. I journaled, did some meditation, and I also did my skincare. I have on the Nourish 3 treatment mask just on a few breakouts that I have right here along my jawline. Anyways, happy Sunday. It's my favorite day of the week, and I feel really good today. I feel very grateful. Doing my morning practice always puts me in a very attitude of gratitude. We're having a Sunday reset day today. I don't have to do too much around the house. There are little things I have to do, like plan my week, finish the laundry, make a grocery list, things like that. I think I'm gonna keep this little schedule that I have of cleaning my apartment on Fridays so that I can enjoy my weekend, and Sunday, when Sunday comes around, I can do like a mini Sunday reset as opposed to just spending the entire day cleaning, organizing, planning, prepping, and then having little to no time for self-care. So I really like that little routine that I have set up for myself. Weekly planning part of my Sunday reset routine. So I like to sit down, reflect on the previous week, see what I accomplished, what I didn't accomplish, kind of how the week went, and then after I reflect, I like to plan for the upcoming week. These are the tools that I like to use. My Still Classic planner that I purchased at the beginning of the year. It has a weekly reflection and intention setting section within the planner, so that makes it really easy to plan my weeks and reflect. And then I'm also using Notion. I have my own agenda and things like that. I'm also going to be using my reset journal that I recently picked up from Wild House paper that I showed in my last vlog. So I think I'm gonna do this first to just help me like reset for the new week and check in with myself, and then I will get to actually planning my work and my content for the week. little bit later in the day. Sorry if you can hear my dishwasher going off in the background. I just started it. My apologies. But I pretty much had a very chill, relaxing rest of my Sunday, and we just finished up dinner, and now we are about to catch up on the latest episode of The Last of Us. If you've been watching it, you know how good this show is. Although I will say every single episode thus far has had my anxiety triggered and like through the roof. Every episode is just insane in the best way. So I don't know if this is the last episode of this season. I'm not really sure, but we are about to watch it and kind of end our night here. That being said, I just wanted to close out this week's vlog here. And if you guys are interested in keeping up with me on a day-to-day basis, be sure to follow me on Instagram. That's where I post more in real time, pretty much on a daily basis. The link to that is in the description. But with all that being said, I'm gonna close out this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch up with you all